brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from Untouchable Mama. I greet everybody. I get little thing where I want to talk. I will miss her with broken and Bini. Let me say, because I like a domain, like a egg. Any heart anana ya kind. Eddie, the house. Eddie, oh. Mami, a problem ya no ware social media. Was ya. Was one. Imi ya fe wo wa son. Wa mi wi egon mani wi edo. Iya gigi masemi rokba. Ruda wo son ya. Iya we no manya kma. Ogati no nyakma ami ogati okmange osome no manya ogwe ya heku omukua ugbenwe ha we obini igbi agenya he eyiye wo be na po bolelewe ya na po bolelewe we o ma no nya wo we wiyan gi ma po bolele eya na po bo ilelewe enu we do aso ni we Batinya ave bowinya tinya village people. Inya haewe iwu inya mwigo noe. Also onagi seti bina ye prostitution must stop. Where they can setting they stop pay. Who have seti stop pay. Ana do bomie we ni tinya gele mwigo no. We ni ya mai na jigo ya wagbon. We tinya zuwa. Because mere manani dota weje sinya mwigo no ya ma mwigo no o no mwigo no wewe no we ni meje ni ai do mwigo no wewe no ge itememe o eri me elo no mu me mu dia be wona o ma no mwigo no we eri teme na ma ga bia be ya na no we o me ni na jigo ya wo bagbon mo tamawe because number 1 women last sense no haya stop any rockba even traffic must stop no wata no we wata be Facebook just for there women license you are the body and license who set it stop or it limit or it see your talking o se anata bagbona we anything agbalegbe na mo we nia eni ya ha wata ma we anything no ladi am no we ma ya judge we eni no ladi am no we village people ya judge we na so hono ya ri ungbera no ri ungberi emi no kata no egen we na ata ebe ni emi so ga ro no te no kama wewe di na no tana wait stop o ma agbera o ma na say 18 years ni o free no ya decide na egbe o anything ato no ha wo where ti bo e dey but where ti come we na ewe you must not do it so no we wa so yini we yan we yan mo go no we o si ona seti wo na emi no ka you no we ya ta no we do or die no we to have stop pay okay ke ire nia we set stop pay wa get to down me radio me na we do where to stop pay really where to stop pay you don't have the license you don't have the power e ma ni nya ma set stop pay nobody no has set stop pay e no heke no ma tabagbo na ga temata mata oriria bete mata ni heke ni mata aboma de una boma de we na iwe ma una atamoma ni ededegbe we tamaire de no gba we atamae odo arizi na ewe gbe na ni ewu na egele ma ho boy o kan seti ya tawe na iwe we ni menata we who must to stop or igboa or I do this no emi no ro o to boy ya tawe na iwe go mewe wo so nu we wata ni eni ya mo video ye no pa ni wa e ko wa ri egbe wele oboma aya ko hun no hin wa e ko wa ri egbe wele giyan ke na ya ta sa we u me right no ha ya guyan gun because emi no ta yo to no ugbo no we gbe yo to o we ri ye na because we ka gbugbo ni ne e ba we do ari na una wa mu wi do na wa mu gbo to le mostly wo a video ni ma be me watch I village people ni e watch una ti ebo na wi ko ya fe wi gbe agaya we ko ni pa because ben we na mi we no ko wa iju we o no we ne tin ni ko iye we ga ni o ma de no ma we brain we but egbe ga no do ya ye we na do una e ma na ona nkire wo una ti ebo ni ko ya fe anu wa ha be atenene mi edo egwe ya ta e broken no ma gba no de zeleni o ya te ya enya ya na mi ma ya fo wo we si e di na mi we unu neze do yan ifi pege egwa we no wo si e because ni katasin no nya pa na ti o pa re o so me no ma nya ogwe ya e ku mu fuwa ugbe we ebi edo we nya oyi una ati ebone ya enya na akpo bolelewe enya na go wera enwanu su inwanu we su nya go wera di e so inwanu we su enya go we wara ni una wa mu ebi edo una wa mu magbo to bi ni people they be that no we to we ko so wa so we gbe agia awe bini wa fun ya me we na mi we ebi e wo we nende de bi Nigeria inya be wi na ni ne ni bi do beto na wa mwe we bini bini mari okpa yen wo we de gene ohun we wa tena ya so sa we video ne wo wi ati village people mu jo ni iyan mu eyin wa so because ugbo yo to we ye na ohun ni ata wi yan mo million iyan no mu nu eni o me na jigo ya because we nu we wa je nu wa ru wa ba ni you don't have a common one license women enu we wa we ba ni we to chat no wa talo oga me no we talo no na bi ateni agbon ibi ahun ubi ateni agbon no le ho abi ahun e ma we ni abu wode uwe igbe agenya wa ke ba ni pa won yan fi mare o ma tewe ni ebu wode o uwe ya hin ore mani we ateni ni we avan me na mi ni ya no re o we ya sin ladian eya wa ga nyenye ladian na wono na no watalo na license wume wo bo wa do bo bi ane license enwa yawe use your brain ayawe una wa asil una wa mo bi abo wona mo gboto na mo yin no na ibi egun eyan iwa mi bi adoyan to asenya yan aruda we di we wa gbeyan wa to asenya yan wa igbe ageyan hin yan be de nenu we na mi we eye bank ya ro ige abo omode wa mo ilane na gbadu abo ode ha mi yan we na wa iga we e ma we gbe e ma we nene mi vesema we na wa mi oni so ugbo no we gbe o we wari e na hunu wa sogbo ni wa ke na ya so yari ungbe iran uri egbiri emi nu we uyo to aha ya ajoju we na so na emi nu we ka wo gbera ne nya do ya ajoju we na so e de sojo o ma han advice we ari advice o ma na go we gun u to ta we ka mo ma me we no ma na ta ni wa ge because e gba na wa fo me no we gun na ari advice mo gbe so because me any me we any no pa yen agu we gun awon o ma iwa gun we gun wa ro your generation to generation ere ya we mi o ma na we mi o ma ni no we me ni u fe se ere ege omo no bie ere ege generation ge because any ma mo pa yan ma eva wo o ma ni no we mi ni o han face ere ya we mi oni mi here ni we ni be do ta ve na hina wa oga bati no we ta ve bi dame oi ugun ai said because o ma na we ni tata uwa gun ase because o ma na ke opa no na ria be we abati no because abati oni ni yan we aduza de o ni atai o no gege gbovoma ebo de o de na duza ebo wa de no ni o wa de mu o wa de problem yen dero uwa gun ayo se eri we no ya agun because una bege we ori wa we mi esi egbovo esi ekoto ari godun nine no ma ni mi kwina we gbe ya netin no ya we gbe ya we o we ha ma bati ni o wi yen rie o meke ni ma ho ese mi ane ha me genocide ari ho ya because wa mo bo watch video genocide ihu genocide we jo boss na se well, I no ma understand the you just any car time we no say na we joboni hu. O ma no ma get the video we ti ya check o ya re no say na mo bo we ijobono hu. Abati mana ru enwe. Na ne jone say ge we jobona ma contact yan. Don't ni no ni ya. I contact yan. Yan wa banu an. Ke we bo ke ma na o ma no very won ge jone say ge. Awa banu an amwe bo gbebo eni. Because since away we again ya me o ma guess who say or where onu ye ni ye egwe ni ahwe ne sipo asebisi awahwe ne so emi na dia wa e logo na dology on your logo o se na eko enwo na eko tama na we abati kiere emi nu wa betan wa gun ase eri o hekenu ya agun because all when na ya tetame no say get we remove your account we what even what the ya wa even what tani about mind your business good you sure well one time we or to use a brain well na ma so on your edi mofi edi emi okpa ni we ni time we because e no see any na watch a program we o ma send e gun me e send e like ni watch e ma me like e see ai bi like page we di han e be beg picture ma no we vionjo e di when women di right women di right e di we are we bo magina women right no ha ya vi picture manjo no we yan vi ma because you need do yakabo time ma woni we yan vi ma women di right we na ko bi han di prove women di right e di eti lele we gui we ni kama we no lawo ho women di right no ya gbon picture ma ugbonjo we o ma ni ma he lo rewe wonoje o se we ai ni ya go free mo bi no agbe una ya agbe kan ma no egbe kan no he e lo no mu eje wonoje at eti traffic wa ti e wodo iya ga kan mu tanu e we ti asai we mi abebo iya mo picture ma o mu jo gbo e Facebook where o ma na ge mi no of your mare ogbe lo ma wa without a oloho edi wa ha mi oni awa mi o news iya mo ejo ba ni ofo boze ni na be mo ejo because iya na the right iya bin we je umi right edi o si anata we adam e news we are a news o si anata we news ru dem no sunu eni me right ni ya vie picture edi ma mo ma be ya na edi o ya wo no na edi o we no pan ya mo di picture yo ya me di right edu we me right ya ga mo traffic no we ti aside because you don't have the right we are a picture man jo ogbalegbe we mi ogbalegbe mo picture man jo we o ma na mo e no there without a judge ma sign no ya vie picture la dia all like one chance edi ya we mi na because agu we gun ohun ika ha mo no we ga vie picture ma jo who made the right who made license nobody no come we no we who made the right so you pray we audio na ni later na no lawo hu vio eyin because o no gele law ona mo the picture ona mo the picture wa o picture e no ya mo mi ya jo ona send the ege lawyer who like one chance e di ya mo traffic no ihe mwe traffic no wa sa edove ya na agu we gundu ahimi o wa send we go no na ha ye gbe me because who we destroy a name oge ara mi wo ma ni gele we o ma we e wo ha judge o we judge o we lawyer o we judge no ha tell any who made that right so stop having no na stop agwe magua avasinya wa hu setting la wadia it's not a task e ga vie picture ma jo you don't have that right una ya gbe koma no he love e wono je yen suwe ona na ti na mi proprietà privato that is così tale me yata na me no wi mejenia weti la utati makia humenu lawa only a private issue private when at a private edi who expose that private of that person which is very bad who ya je gan edi no anybody know here adio na wala wo wa forward the again because e matter ma when I tinye nya wa agba o iwe avie because emi na sunu da we bania mani bi do yo wa ya je gan onya wa mo traffic ne o ya adoma so agu we gu age ale brain we e score we ni gela we di you don't have that right no ya leak that private of that person out you don't have the right who made that right? 1 million in the license in an Indian in the investigator man. They have the license, Eddie. Woman understand they can with the investigate say they withdraw. Because so man go allow then withdraw your license from you. Eddie, and that time when it come away. Ik ben we boy no dere. And even law no mume mudiabe wona. Oma agu eguan. Ariye me no manita. Ariye. On a Nigerian now anyhow, I can do anything I like. Away bomanji. Many people in my law or see no when I say have a picture and ladian. A traffic near Moguwe. Who are we one? Private. A new private. Before you get your book, you have to ask me. I'm a who where yari your money wa. One with picture your yari wa. And we have a picture so John Evinia Bay, Eddie is a big offense. The webo. Do my anytime away. You are damaging the name of that people, that family who were damaged. Yana the way are you doing lawyer? Yana wa discriminate, yana wa the picture, yana mo lawyer. Who like one chance, Eddie? Who want like one chance? Or see anything who are what we do me evidence. One evidence you can sue that person who was sue unless you wait on a good mind don't when you forget. Hey, you misbehave. Hey, you have your picture man no have your job where na we mi na then when you are not aware even though you are aware a judge mahama where go ahead and put it on your Facebook. Who made the license? You don't have anything. So stop all these things, Nuna. Stop pay. Stop pay. Agwema go have ya. Mabele ni Nigeria ni or when I win a date matter no dog no my no when the police ya moema. You can't try it here. What he try me now where police ya mama Ameriana. Because no ya bere where every mama je. Every man. No wa kame police we police o ma na ya wo viomade ya muwe for what reason before police ke do mu we e judge sign na we o ma na we apikere ana wo wa apikere no ma wo wa megbe o wo wa apikere wa re se finish we ma mi e fo no ta ni police na do mu o ma na mi wo o ma ni ya do mu ni ya na yo o ma ni police na gbo ma ni o na yo bokan o ma ni o dunu share the police ila ni. So far no the evidence. We police guy or being your one on and then my baby run no gele dere we a police or gele agbo mani. All like one chance. O wa go ariye me no matter. Ariye a police nya me that nya have a picture ma yo no gbele emi we gbene ni jo. O wa gbojo mu je ba ni. When we know we no he. One man no end the person no hata we me picture we be ne mi e o ma na ya wo. Are you aware? A judge of Baron of Hassan and Weddy. A judge of Baron. Yami the way investigate Thomas Sefi. Or make any say they have their line. Stay your line. If you are out of your line, here withdraw that license because Umago Alwe, Nigerian J. Alwe a sense in a love webo. Emi na love webo alwe manedi. Only me here ni do tamawe. Imare don gu egui but when you don't go egua make you I use a sense when use your brain. Wa we mi ere na ya we in Nigeria ere ya we webo. Wa we be your new line. Wa line because when you are in Rome you act as a Roman. So su rewebo heart have been in ya we heart been in ya over webo. Every near Nigeria ni. That is a different thing. And we manage him. Who send here you don't need? You cannot do it here. Omagba ni Omagba. Only ni here ni do tama wedi. So all the village people ni emi nu yo bowe ya wu ya judge we ni. So stop crying. Stop crying. Okonu ke na ya so sa we. Wo mu wie dogbo to. Ah, ya na do vi owe ji ma hu. Ene de aketa we gwa aka yo botolu hu. Aka yo botolu hu kakabone. Egana na eje na nia ibi ego. Ya ke we mi ro emi kere ni ya ke o. Awe gwa ahụ emi kere ya ke gwa kere ya we gwa ahụ wosie ya nia wosie because them not aye we ga respect ewun we kere o ai gyo ye gon la dia wetin hand wa fi pege ibi edo so enu we uyo to o were na ma understand it ona emi kere ni we do tamawe I hope we ufi were from Untouchable Mama. Remain blessed. Bye bye.